For decades, Boeing was the undisputed leader in commercial aviation, the go-to choice for airlines worldwide. The iconic Boeing 747 symbolized global travel, and airlines like Emirates, KLM, and Qantas built their fleets around Boeing jets. But now, a major shift is underway. Some of Boeing's most loyal customers are turning to Airbus, Boeing's European rival. This isn't just about buying new planes, it's about shaping the future of air travel for decades. Airlines' choices affect everything from ticket prices to the routes we can fly. Why are these giants changing course after years of loyalty? We'll explore the troubles at Boeing, the rise of Airbus, and what this means for the future of flying. From the Netherlands to Australia and the Middle East, we'll see how these decisions are reshaping the skies. The story of which plane to fly is now a story about the future of global connection. Boeing's name was once synonymous with flight itself, a pioneer that made the world smaller. The Boeing 707 launched the jet age, and the 747 made air travel accessible to millions. Airlines trusted Boeing for its engineering, innovation, and reliability. Pilots and crews built their careers on Boeing aircraft, creating deep loyalty. Sticking with Boeing was easy. Training, maintenance, and operations all fit together. Even as Airbus emerged, many airlines stayed loyal, building their business models around Boeing jets. Boeing's factories in Seattle churned out planes that became the backbone of global travel. For decades, Boeing's dominance seemed unshakable. The partnership between airlines and Boeing was more than business. It was a shared legacy. But even the strongest legacies can be tested. Boeing's reputation took a massive hit after two deadly 737 MAX crashes in 2018 and 2019. Investigations revealed rushed development and poor communication about new software, shattering trust. The 737 MAX was grounded worldwide for nearly 2 years, causing chaos for airlines and huge financial losses. Beyond safety, Boeing faced relentless delays with new models like the 777X and 787 Dreamliner. Airlines depend on timely deliveries, but Boeing kept missing deadlines, forcing carriers to keep older, less efficient planes. These issues created a perfect storm: safety concerns, delivery delays, and mounting frustration. Even Boeing's most loyal customers began to question their future with the company. The once unbreakable trust was now deeply shaken. Airlines needed reliability, and Boeing was struggling to deliver. The stage was set for a dramatic shift. KLM, the world's oldest airline, was long a Boeing stronghold. 84% of its fleet came from the American giant. But aging planes and strict EU environmental rules forced KLM to rethink its future. Older jets were costly to maintain and burned more fuel, while new regulations demanded cleaner, quieter aircraft. KLM needed a modern, efficient fleet, fast. After careful comparison, KLM and Air France-KLM ordered 134 new Airbus jets, including the A320neo and A350. The A321neo beat Boeing's 737 MAX 10 with better range, more seats, and lower fuel burn. Airbus's reliable delivery schedule sealed the deal, as Boeing's delays made planning impossible. This decision sent shockwaves through the industry. Even the most loyal airlines would switch if performance and reliability demanded it. KLM's move marked a new era, one where trust must be earned, not assumed. The blue and white tails of KLM now signal a European-built future. The message was clear: adapt or be left behind. Qantas, Australia's flag carrier, was once Boeing's staunchest ally, flying 707S and 747S across the globe. But Qantas's ambitious Project Sunrise, non-stop flights from Australia to London and New York, required a new kind of aircraft. Boeing's 777X was delayed and uncertified, while Airbus's A350-1000 was ready and proven. In 2022, Qantas chose Airbus for Project Sunrise, ordering 12 A350-1000s. This wasn't an isolated move. Qantas also ordered a 220S and A321XLRs to replace its domestic Boeing fleet. The A321XLR's range and efficiency opened new routes across Asia and the Pacific. For Qantas, Airbus offered the right planes at the right time. Boeing's delays costed a flagship customer and a place in aviation's next chapter. The flying kangaroo now soars on European wings. Emirates, Dubai's aviation powerhouse, built its empire on the Boeing 777 and Airbus A380. The 777 was the backbone of its fleet, and Emirates planned to lead with Boeing's next-gen 777X. But endless delays pushed deliveries from 2020 to at least 2026, disrupting Emirates' growth plans. Frustrated, Emirates president publicly criticized Boeing's failures. In response, Emirates ordered 50 Airbus A350-900s in 2019, later expanding to 65 and eyeing the A350-1000. The A350 delivered fuel efficiency, quiet cabins, and reliable cargo capacity, everything Emirates needed. Emirates now splits its future between Airbus and Boeing, ending its exclusive reliance on the 777. Boeing's inability to deliver on promises forced even its biggest partner to diversify. The message in aviation, punctuality, and performance are everything. Airlines are choosing Airbus for one simple reason: performance and reliability. Airbus's new jets like the A320neo and A350 offer up to 30% better fuel efficiency, slashing costs and emissions. This helps airlines meet climate goals and appeal to eco-conscious travelers. Airbus's A321XLR can fly long routes that once needed bigger, costlier planes, opening new markets. Boeing's competing models are delayed or uncertified, leaving airlines waiting. Airbus delivers on time, while Boeing's production woes create uncertainty. For airlines, a late plane means lost revenue and missed opportunities. The choice is clear. Airbus offers the right planes right now. In a business where timing is everything, reliability wins orders. The balance of power is shifting, one delivery at a time. Airlines are voting with their wallets, and Airbus is reaping the rewards. Boeing's comeback depends on restoring trust, starting with safety and quality. The company must overhaul its culture, empowering employees to prioritize safety over speed or profit. Transparent, realistic timelines are essential. Overpromising and under-delivering must end. Boeing needs to work closely with regulators and deliver flawless aircraft every time. Innovation must return to the forefront with investment in new technologies and sustainable designs. Listening to airline customers and rebuilding relationships is crucial. Boeing's legacy is powerful, but it must be earned anew through action, not nostalgia. Only by proving itself, plane by plane, can Boeing reclaim its place at the top. The skies are open, but the climb will be steep. The Boeing-Airbus rivalry shapes the way we travel. Fierce competition means better planes, more comfort, and new routes for passengers. Efficient jets like the A321XLR and A350 make long-haul, non-stop flights possible and affordable. Airlines can connect more cities, giving us more choices and direct flights. New aircraft also mean greener travel, with lower emissions per passenger. As airlines modernize fleets, flying becomes quieter, cleaner, and more comfortable. The big question: can Boeing win back trust and spark the next leap in aviation? For travelers, strong competition is the best outcome, driving innovation and safety. The race for the skies continues, shaping how we connect with the world.